Good morning, first grade. All right, this morning we are going to take our week 18 spelling test and we are going to take it through a video again. As I mentioned, some of the wit and wisdom lessons, we wanted to be able to spend a little more time during our live calls for some good class discussions about the text and to work on the writing together. So we are going to do this as a video again this week. Like I said, this won't be forever and always, but it's we're going to go ahead and do that again this week. So let me know if you're having any trouble, if you can't pause the video, or you're having any difficulty, just let me know. Okay. All right. So again, this is week 18. The focus skill for this week is TH. And we've talked about this week that TH can say, and it can also say, okay. All right. So I will highlight as we go. If you want to grab your blank spelling test paper, write your name at the top. And if you need to pause for a moment, feel free. All right, number one, let's start with number one is path, path. They walked down the path to the park. Path. Okay, number two, so on to number two. Number two is math, math. What lesson are we working on in math today? Math. Number two again was math. All right, moving on to number three. Number three is think, think. What do you think about that book? Think. Ink, think. Think. Okay, number four. Number four is both, both. Watch both of those movies. Both, both. And that's been one of our high frequency words too. Both. Okay, moving on to number five. Number five is this. This. Is this your book bag? This. Is this. That's number five. Okay, number six. We are on to number six. Number six is the word with. With. Would you like some rice with your dinner? With. With. Great job. With. All right, I will repeat 1 through 6. Number 1 is path. Number 2 is math. Number 3 is think. Number 4 is both. Number 5 is this. And number 6 is with. All right, great job. All right, let's go ahead over to number 7 now. Number 7 is thin. Thin. Your Wit and Wisdom workbook is the thin blue workbook. Thin. 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 All right, number 8. Number 8 is than. Than. 95 is greater than 72. Than. And than. All right, number 8 one more time was than. Number 9 is cloth. Cloth. That dress is made out of a light cloth. Cloth. K-l-o-th. Cloth. Number 9, again, cloth. Doing a great job. Cloth. All right, moving on to number 10. Number 10 is them. Them. Did you invite them to the party? Them. 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 Number 10, one more time, them. All right, number 11. Number 11 is that. That. Is that your pet? That. At. That. It's number 11. That. That. All right, and number 12, our last word from the spelling words, is thud. Thud. We heard a loud thud from upstairs. Thud. D. Thud. Thud. Great job. Thud. Okay. All right, I will go ahead and read 7 through 12. Number 7 is thin. Number 8 is than. Number 9 is cloth. Number 10 is them. Number 11 is that. And number 12 is thud. All right, excellent. All right, let's go ahead over to our high frequency words. Number 1, please. Please. Could you please pass me the salt and pepper? Please. Number 1 is please. Remember, just try your best. We are working and practicing these. Please. All right, number 2. Number 1 of the high frequency words was please. Number 2, because. Because. I brought my snow boots because it was supposed to snow a lot. Because. Number 2. I try to remember the spellings as a little chant. Number 2, because. Number 3 on the high frequency words is school. School. Our school is Avonworth Primary Center. School. School. All right, and number, number 4 is down. Down. I walked down the stairs to the basement. Down. Down. Okay, so the high frequency words one more time are, number 1 is please, number 2 is because, number 3 is school, and number 4 is down. All right, we are almost finished, just on to the sentence. So we are on to the sentence, and the sentence is, the sloth is on the thin path. Okay, I'll say that again. The sloth is on the thin path. Okay, and if you could say that with me, the sloth is on the thin path. Okay, so go ahead and start reading, and I will repeat the beginning part of the sentence, and then I'll repeat the end. So the first part again is, the sloth is on. The sloth is on. The beginning part one more time. The sloth is on the thin path. The sloth is on the thin path. All right. Great job, boys and girls. Thank you for your hard work. Thanks again for, giving this a try. And I will talk to everybody soon. Thanks so much. The sentence one more time. The sloth is on the thin path. All right. Thank you.